First, remove all accessories from your left arm. Add a power supply. You can use the AC adapter provided or 4AA alkaline batteries. Ensure that you are wearing loose clothing. Press the open button on the arm cuff barrel to unlock it, roll up your sleeve, and place your left arm inside the arm cuff barrel. Sit properly and make sure that the arm cuff is on the same level as your heart or chest. Press the on/off button. There is an indicator on the screen if the angle of the cuff is too small or too big. Adjust accordingly. The BP monitor will now start pumping air into the arm cuff. Remain calm and sit still while taking your blood pressure. Avoid any movement or talking to prevent miscalculations or errors while measuring. You can view your results after a minute. This device is also capable of voice broadcast. It will read the results for you.
Systolic pressure, 128 millimeters of mercury. Diastolic pressure, 78 millimeters of mercury. Your heart rate is 65 beats per minute. Your blood pressure level is normal.
This device features a backlit screen design for optimal reading of results. You can view and read the results even in the dark. Voice broadcast can be adjusted in volume or turned off. Simply press on the voice button to adjust the volume. Press beyond the maximum volume to turn off the sound. There is an indicator on the left side of the screen. If the bars on the left side of the screen reaches the green indicator, it means that your blood pressure is normal, yellow means that your blood pressure is within borderline range, and red means that your blood pressure is high. To switch users, simply press the U1/U2 button. This device can store up to 90 results each for 2 users. It is best to measure your blood pressure 3 times with at least 3 minutes of rest in between and get the average of those 3 results. To do this, simply press MEM and press the AVG button. This will display the average of the latest 3 results of the current user memory. You can also browse through the memory by pressing Set or MEM buttons. This device can detect arrhythmia. After getting your results from testing, the screen will display a blinking heart icon. This indicates that you have an irregular heartbeat. Repeat testing if you encounter this. If you still get this indication after 3 attempts, contact your physician. Long press on the Set button until the year flashes on the screen. Press the MEM button to adjust the year and press Set to save the setting and proceed with the month setting. Repeat this process to adjust the month, day, and time. While power off, long press on the on/off button until the measurement unit switches. This takes about 5 to 10 seconds. Long press on the MEM button while the device is off. Do this for 5 seconds or until the screen displays NO. The package includes one BK36 upper arm automatic blood pressure monitor, an adapter, 4 pieces AA batteries, and an instruction manual.